Welcome to this tutorial on how to use QuickBooks Online, a comprehensive accounting solution designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs. In this guide, we will walk you through the key steps and best practices to get the most out of QuickBooks Online. First, let's start with the basics. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software that allows you to manage your financial data from anywhere, at any time. To get started, simply sign up for a QuickBooks Online account and choose the plan that best suits your business needs. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the QuickBooks Online dashboard, where you can access all the features and tools you need to manage your finances. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including the navigation menu, the company overview, and the activity feed. To set up your company, click on the settings icon and select company settings. Here, you can enter your company information, such as your business name, address, and tax ID number. You can also set up your accounting preferences, including your fiscal year, accounting method, and currency. Next, let's talk about invoicing and billing. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to create and send professional-looking invoices to your customers. To create an invoice, click on the Create Invoice button and enter the customer's information, the invoice date, and the total amount due. You can also add items and services to the invoice, and apply any discounts or taxes. In addition to invoicing, QuickBooks Online also allows you to track your expenses and manage your cash flow. To enter an expense, click on the Expenses tab and select the type of expense you want to enter, such as rent, utilities, or travel expenses. You can also upload receipts and attach them to the expense entry. Another important feature of QuickBooks Online is the ability to track your accounts payable and accounts receivable. To manage your accounts payable, click on the Expenses tab and select the bills you need to pay. To manage your accounts receivable, click on the Invoices tab and select the invoices that are outstanding. Finally, let's talk about reporting and analysis. QuickBooks Online provides a range of reports and dashboards that allow you to see how your business is performing. To access the reports, click on the Reports tab and select the type of report you want to view, such as a balance sheet, income statement, or cash flow statement. In conclusion, QuickBooks Online is a powerful accounting solution that can help you manage your finances and grow your business. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of QuickBooks Online and make informed decisions about your business. Remember to always keep your financial data up to date and accurate, and to use the reporting and analysis tools to track your progress and identify areas for improvement.